a patch. I don't know if you can see it's flexing in there. I don't know if they used a Home Depot patch kit or what. Welcome back. It's November 1st, 9 o'clock at night. Home Decorators Collection pendant. Make sure these are both the same. So this is about the time we speed the process up. Because this one is so short up here, I'm using just this top little, whatever you want to call that, carabiner looking deal. Not using any of this chain on the light over the sink. Yeah, you got to make sure you get these in the right order. You know what? Let's just do that. So this arrangement is a little bit different because I'm working for a property manager who is also a general contractor. Probably, they say you're not supposed to get fingerprints on these bulbs. So I'm not working for the actual owner of the house, the business that owns the house. I just do what I'm told. That's why I kind of like these rental maintenance, you know, quick fixer-upper type deals. Is because he brings me light fixtures and I just install them. It's not up to me to discuss anything else. Just do it.
Like the balls.
Okay, I'm gonna knock this next one out, but I'm gonna speed it up real fast, like 20 times. So it should be done in about 30 seconds. Some people get a little freaked out when they see stuff like this. So this is how this was held up. It was hung from this knot right there. This just went up. It was screwed up in there. You see the knot? Just tucked up in there, just like that. The insulation on the wire provided the cushion, or so it didn't cut in there. You see, just a few scratches. Yep, that's how it was done in 1994. Too low. It is. Am I gonna hang too low? So I'm just checking before I go cutting the wire, the length. I added 3 links. That one there just had the one carabiner thing. So I think I need to take out 2 links. So I'll have 2 links and 2 carabiners. That's how these things are meant to be linked up. Talk about a horrible, dimly lit kitchen. So these are Edison bulbs. They're decorations. They don't put out much light at all. Not enough to do any sort of work in here. You can see they got the under cabinet lights going. There's one over here. That one works. But still, way too dim. You can get higher wattage versions of these, but it doesn't really diffuse the light very well. It's something to make note of when your wife says,
Hey, I saw these fancy light bulbs at the Home Depot, and they come with this rustic metal looking fixture. Go get one and put it in our kitchen.
you can say, hey, come watch this video of the Handyman doing it, and look how dim it is. Let's just keep it the way we have it. So this is the chrome light fixture that is completely rusted. What's interesting is the little cups. I mean, they're a little messed up, but they're not that bad. So I was tasked with replacing this light, just get another 6 bulb light. The only thing I could find was this one. Same length, same bulbs. $20 in bulbs just to do this light fixture. For those of you keeping track, I'll see if I can come up with a running tally of all the materials. Everything that I put in here, from the siding, the paint, the light fixtures, bulbs, tubes of caulk, all that stuff. Check out my new shirt. It's a caulk gun on a shirt. Light switched off. A lot of times these take toggle bolts because you can't put them into the studs. Real channel locks. Not slip joints, but channel locks. We gotta do the same thing to this light so that they match, even though there's nothing wrong with this one. Another thing about these builders and managers and superintendents, sometimes they give you a fake completion date just to get you there earlier. Could be what he's doing with me, but so far everything has been on schedule. The carpet's already been removed. It was cleaned earlier today. So I have to assume paint's going tomorrow, even though paint wasn't supposed to start till Thursday. So I gotta stick it out. It's 10:30 at night. So this is a patch. I don't know if you can see it's flexing in there. I don't know if they used a Home Depot patch kit or what. But what I'm gonna do is hit this with some 80 grit on my shop vac sander and see what we get. So let's see how this goes here. Probably some sort of patch kit. I honestly don't know. I've never seen one. I don't use these, so I don't know much about it. I've made pretty quick work of it. There's no dust in here, didn't breathe anything in. Hopefully, I've got a piece of drywall in the tool trailer. If I don't, I'll have to hit this up tomorrow. I'm getting ready to paint this area of the floor. Remember I said I got a primer, or excuse me, I got to prime the floor here. Can't say primer on the internet, you gotta say prime. So all three of these are loose. I wanna know what's underneath there. And I'm sure some of you guys wanna know what the heck is going on in this weird ass basement where they cut all the subfloor out and had to do something down there. So we've got a sump pit. And can you guys get an idea? That's the footer. What we have going on? Oh yeah. So this is what I thought. Hopefully you guys can see that. Huh. Wow. So this house is definitely has to be on piers. See the foundation wall just dangling underneath. Power to go over here. Let's take a look down there, down this way. I don't know if you guys can see it. I've got a zoom lens on this thing. Yeah, there's a new beam. Huh. So that's what my guess is. This whole section of the basement, foundation walls, they pulled all this up so they could get access to underneath the foundation walls. Let's go take a look in this crawl space. Oh, this thing comes running out at me. Oh, we got a little light. Everything in here looks to be fairly normal. I'm sure something like this. Oh my God. That will probably come up on the home inspection list. Hopefully I get to come back and fix that. But this section of the crawl space looks pretty good. Can tell they've got mouse poop in here. That's going to come up on the inspection. Lots of mouse poopies in here. Let's go over here. Yeah, this underneath thing. I don't find any bodies. So this part here, I don't even want to go look over there. All right, we'll do it. Down that hole. Something lives down in there. All right, I'm gonna get the corona being in here. You gotta get the heck out of here. Oh boy, what comes in underneath that one? Actually, they may have pulled this off. Man, who put those lights in? I think the handyman did. Man, these neighborhoods are so dark. Don't even have street lights out anymore. Oh, there's one down there. Kind of creepy. Hope I don't get jacked or anything. Check these out. Look at those puddle lights. I just put those in. It's upgraded puddle lights. Got some tissues for my homemade bandage. Oh, we got some Cheez-Its. We got the camera for the SSTC.